How to delete apps on Windows 10. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, on your PC or laptop, at the bottom, click on the search bar and search for settings. When you open settings, click on apps. After you've clicked on apps, you'll find this kind of screen. On the left side, click on apps and features. Here you'll find all your apps. Simply scroll through the app and click on the app you want to delete. Then you'll find Uninstall option. Click on Uninstall. Again, click on Uninstall and the app will be deleted from your Windows. You can repeat the same process for other apps you want to delete as well. And this is how to delete apps on Windows 10. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.